Hi there, this video is about how to make a stable tripod using PVC pipes and the simplest tools. The tripod will be strong, reliable, even if move, lift, it will not deform, and the cost of materials will be very cheap. All that is required for production and measurements will be shown. We need materials. PVC pipes, diameter 20 mm, the amount of 5 meters in my case was enough. 12 self-tapping screws, 40 mm long, 4 self-tapping screws, 20 mm long, plastic corner half of a meter, 20 to 20 mm. We need tools, screwdriver or drill, scissors, a hacksaw, but if you have, you can use special scissors to cut pipes. But as I said, we will use the simplest and the most available tools. Measuring tape and a pen or a pencil. Disassembled tripod will take up little space and will consist of 3 main parts, 2 vertical supports and the upper horizontal part with a seat for the phone. First, let's make the long horizontal part. We measure the length of the working surface. My table is 90 centimeters and reduce 5 centimeters on each side so that the tripod is not on the edge. Total length is 80 centimeters. We will cut the necessary parts with a hacksaw. Let's make a seat for the phone from plastic corners 25 centimeters long. They are cut with the scissors and then attach the corners along and in the middle of the pipes with 20 mm self-tapping screws. We will connect the parts with jumpers. To measure their length for the jumper, let's try how the phone will be located at the corners. And the total external size will be 13 centimeters. This will be the length for the jumpers. As a result, the corners should be in the same plane. To make it convenient, I recommend that you first thread the screws into one pipe on a flat surface and then screw it to the second pipe, because it's inconvenient to screw it into 2 pipes at once. Saw off the jumpers and attach them to the lower side of the future horizontal part. Next, let's make 2 vertical supports. The height should be such that the phone camera covers the surface of the table. I have it 45 centimeters. We make 4 identical pipes with a measured height, and we will connect them to keep them strong. For the upper connecting part, we define the length in this way. Take the length of the jumper of the horizontal part, which we measured earlier, and add twice the diameter of the pipe, 30 centimeters plus 2 centimeters and plus 2 centimeters, and the total will be 17 centimeters. We fasten it not to the top but to retreat from the top about 5 centimeters. The same distance on all 4 legs. For stability, we will make the lower connecting part 30 centimeters long. We have done 3 main parts, then we need to hold them together. We insert the horizontal part on the side supports and fasten them with 4 self-tapping screws. The construction is ready for use. To disassemble it, just unscrew the last 4 screws, and all the details look like this. Thanks for watching.